In the last episode we arrived to the island La Gomera after a windy sail from Gran Canaria. La Gomera is one of the smaller islands of the Canarian Islands and only has around 26,000 inhabitants. It was very windy the first couple of days, and July is normally the windiest month of the year, but the locals said that they had never seen these strong winds lasting for so long before. Now we're going to the local market, because it's Saturday and they have the big market from 9 o'clock in the morning, so we're gonna have a look at it. Come on!
Really easy.
You're cheating! San Sebastian is the biggest city on the island, and the marina is popular by long-distance sailors. Many sailors stay here for quite some time, and there's a nice, friendly and social atmosphere.
This is the island where Columbus where he sailed from when he discovered the New World from La Gomera. And he sailed in October, so during the hurricane season with Hispaniola. My dad and his girlfriend, my half-brothers and my grandparents came to visit us, which was so fun. My family is here visiting us. So this is... Säg ditt namn bara.
Oscar.
Lucas.
Hallå!
Gitta.
Ove.
Karin.
Cheers!
What are you doing?
I have about a half a liter of water in my head. Some intense waves on the beach. Having too much fun.
We go into the waterfall. There.
Yeah, we don't know where it is. A big part of the island is covered by the national park, La Garajonay. The park suffered from a big fire in 2012, which destroyed almost 20% of the park. Driving around in Garajonay, you can see how the forest has been suffering from the fire. The view is really clear today. So over there is Tenerife, you see the volcano Teide. And in the background, you don't see it that good now, but over there is Gran Canaria.
could say. It's been so long, I don't know what to say.
A lot of tourists that visit the island come here to hike, because La Gomera has hiking routes all over the island.
Jokes aside, I wanna come back home. You know, that night I said I had to go. You said you'd meet me on the sunny road. It's time, meet me on the sunny road. It's time.
From Nancy's restaurant we got a good view of when the locals celebrate the Virgin Carmen by going out with their boats and then setting off fireworks. We enjoyed it a lot, and also the paella that Nancy and her family cooked for us. In Las Palmas we got a big package that we've been waiting for. So the guys at Kona 1, they thought that we should have a stand-up paddleboard on the boat. So they sent us this one, a really beautiful stand-up paddleboard, and the best thing about it is that it's inflatable, so it won't take up a lot of space on the boat. Today we're gonna try it out for the first time, so I'm just gonna pump it up now, and yeah, and then we get on board. Kona 1 is a Swedish company specialized in windsurfing and stand-up paddleboards. Kona 1 makes both hard and inflatable boards, and they all look really cool. Thanks a lot guys for the board, we'll have a lot of fun with it. So this stand-up paddleboard is specially made to do yoga on. That's why it's called Namaste. So it's a little bit shorter and a little bit wider, so you get a better grip and you can stand more stable. I mean, it's not possible to do yoga now because there are too much waves. So if you do yoga, you have to fix the board in some way.
Yeah, like behind the boat when we're anchored.
Yeah. So I think we have to wait with that until we in an anchorage.
We were at one of the highest points on the island, Las Nieves, on a lookout point. You can see the clouds down here, with the acceleration zone between Tenerife and La Gomera. You can really see it on the clouds, how they're being pushed between the islands down here.
I brought you something close to me.
On top of the world, I'm on top of the world. Check this out. All the public fireplaces are shut down because of the high risk of fire. So this is a really big fireplace.
Just believe, just breathe.
So the legend about these springs, Chorros de Espina, is that Yeah, it's the springs is the source of for love. The first one is health, the second one is love, and the third one is wealth. Yeah, do you feel the wealth coming to you?
Yeah, really.
Do you feel rich?
Yeah, I feel rich. We're up on top of San Sebastian, and as you can see down there, the white caps on the waves, it's really strong winds down there. So the waves get quite big down there, and yeah, I hope it calms down before we heading off to Tenerife or La Palma in that direction. We will probably not lift the boat for new anti-fouling paint before the Atlantic crossing, so instead we try to clean the hull whenever we can. How does it look?
Now it looks crazy.
I don't know. I haven't looked myself in the mirror yet.
Are you listening to music?
No, you're not allowed. Yeah. And San Sebastian isn't very big. Yeah, as you can see, you walk around the city in maybe, I don't know, 30 minutes. But it's nice and quiet. Yeah, it's very warm at the moment. Last night we had high winds, 35 knots, really hot, dry air. Felt like somebody was blowing at you with a hairdryer or something. Of course, in daytime it's even hotter, but a bit more humid. So you can't really do much work. I mean, we've been working on the boat, cleaning the hull and stuff like that. That's about what you manage in this heat. But it's nice this summer.
Hi
guys.
Thanks for watching episode number 20. We're still in La Gomera, but within a couple of days we'll sail to Tenerife to spend some time there. If you follow us on Facebook or on Instagram, you see that these videos are made in real time. But it might change a little bit when we leave Europe, because probably it would be harder to find internet.
Our plan at the moment is to sail in the Canaries for another month and a half, and after that we will sail the 800 nautical miles south to the Cape Verde Islands.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, that really helps us. And don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to support the making of these videos, you can do that by becoming a patron. You can just click down here. So it's really hot right now, so I think we'll hit the beach, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So guys, take care and much love from us.
Bye bye.
Ciao.